Hi, this is Teacher Jen from Camglish.com and welcome again to a new lesson on essential English patterns. Today, we will discuss a new pattern and it's the pattern, what would you like? What would you like? What would you like? So, this is just the same with the patterns we discussed previously, but this time we are going to use another WH question, and that is the question what? What? So, when we use the question what, that means we are asking which thing or which particular one of many. So, we want to know the specific thing or anything that someone is telling us. Okay? So we want to know something specifically. Now let's discuss the following sentences so that you can understand this pattern more. Number 1, what would you like to do today? What would you like to do today? So, if someone will ask you this question, then that means they want to know what you want to do for today. What activity? Because there are so many activities that you can do or we can do, right? But when we use this question, that what particular or what specific activity that you want to do for today. Okay? So of course, you can answer with what activity you want to do. You can say, I want to go to the park, okay, and ride a bicycle, something like that. Now let's go into number 2. What would you like for your birthday? What would you like for your birthday? So if someone will ask you this one, this is a very good question because the person you're talking to is giving you an option or a choice as to what you want to have for your birthday. So, he or she is asking you specifically what gift or present you prefer for your birthday. Now, number 3, what would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? So here, the person you're talking to is asking you what kind of drink you like, which particular or specific drink you like, because we have so many drinks. So we have juices, water, alcohol. So it is you who will decide what kind of drink you like. Number 4, what would you like to be when you grow up? What would you like to be when you grow up? So here, the person you're talking to is asking the profession you want to have. What kind of profession you want to have specifically, because we have so many professions like doctor, nurse, teacher, and so on. So this time when someone asks you this question, then that means they want to know which particular profession you want to have when you grow up. Number 5, what would you like for lunch? What would you like for lunch? So this is also a very good question. Why? Because the person you're talking to is asking you what food you want to eat for lunch. What food you want to eat for lunch. So again, the person is giving you option, okay, or choice as to what you want to eat for lunch. Our pattern for today is very easy, isn't it? So now it's our time to make our own sentences. So let's start with me first. So my sentence is, what would you like to buy? What would you like to buy? So, for example, we are inside a shopping mall or supermarket, and then I'm asking you, what would you like to buy? Of course, we can see so many goods or products that we can buy, but I'm asking you which particular product you want to buy. Okay? Now it's your turn. What is your sentence? Very good. Now, let's have a review and read the sentences again. Please follow me. What would you like to do today? What would you like to do today? What would you like for your birthday? What would you like for your birthday? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? What would you like to be when you grow up? What would you like to be when you grow up? What would you like for lunch? What would you like for lunch? Very good. Now, let's go on to the dialogue part. And for dialogue number 1, I will be speaker A. And for dialogue number 2, I will be speaker B. Let's start with number 1. I wish you would do more around the apartment. I'd like you to clean the bathroom and the kitchen once in a while. Number 2. I will have a gin and tonic. Yes, that's all for now. Very good. So, we have a word here or a phrase. The phrase gin and tonic. Actually, gin and tonic is a cocktail drink. It is alcohol mixed with other edible liquids. Okay, it can be alcohol and then some kind of special water or juice or anything. Okay, but when you say cocktail drink, the ratio is that alcohol is lesser than the other liquid. Okay, so now let's go on back to the pattern and the sample sentences. I want you to review this and memorize all of these sentences. Also, don't forget to make your own sentences as well, so that this pattern can help you express yourself in English very well. Also, if you have the chance to express yourself in English, don't forget to use this pattern or these sentences so that you can express yourself better. Okay? So, this is the end of our lesson. This is Teacher Jen from Camglish.com, and see you on our next video. Goodbye!